Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. First off, welcome to week 2. I want to issue a reminder. So our homework is still being worked on by IT on the back end. I actually had to submit a video last week showing why the homework was not working appropriately. So the good news is for week 1, if you're still finishing up week 1, and if this is before April the 30th end of day, of course homework is not due in week 1. For week 2, we have 2 sets of homework, but they're not available yet. So in the next couple of days, they will be available. If they're not ready and this issue is not fixed by Wednesday, I'll cancel the homework again like I did last week for week 1. However, we're working on it. I'm hopeful that they'll fix it on Monday and we'll be good to go. If so, there are 2 chapters, Chapter 2 and Chapter 3 homework. And remember, for these homework assignments, you can repeat them over and over when they work. So we're working on that on the back end. That is not something that is the fault of the course. It's something that's an issue on the other end of things from the textbook side. But they are working on it diligently, and I know they'll get it fixed. But for this week, we're going to talk about Chapters 2 and Chapter 3, nonverbal communication. So make sure you take a look at that video. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. And then opened up the homework just in case they're fixed over the weekend, which could be a possibility. So those are the things that are due this week. Just homework. We don't have a discussion board, but remember, as a reminder, if you haven't finished discussion 1, even if it's late, and this is Monday or Tuesday, be sure to go back in and do it. You need to get credit for those discussions, and that's the only thing that we would have graded for week 1, so make sure you finish that assignment. Remember, your initial post is due usually Wednesday by end of day, but since week 1 was a short week, it's due by Sunday end of day. For your homework in week 2, so this is week 2 that we're talking about. For homework in week 2, everything's due by Sunday end of day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I know a few of you have already reached out via email. It was great speaking to you over, of course, email exchange. But if you want to talk face-to-face, happy to set up a Zoom call, maybe even talk over the phone, whatever works best for you. Thanks for all you're doing, and I appreciate all the effort so far.